friends, welcome to Frenchlifestyle on YouTube. If you are in France or traveling to France, don't forget to eat the delicious and varied French sweets that we will introduce to you in this video. The art of confectionery itself is a French tourist attraction, and it's interesting to know that it may be the head of great chefs around the world, but French are the most famous and best pastry chefs among them. In France, we have two types of sweets. The first category is called les viennoiseries, and the second category is confectionery. Les viennoiseries. These are the types of sweets that are actually sweet breads. The word is derived from the Austrian city of Vienna, and in fact, in the 19th century, an Austrian officer opened a pastry shop in Paris to sell sweetbread, which was very popular, and since then, the type of pastry called les viennoiseries and has been eaten for breakfast and dinner in France. Ten kinds of les viennoiseries. Le croissant. This French symbolic sweet bread is actually made from a kind of Austrian sweet bread called Kipferd, which was developed as a modern croissant in the early 20th century, as it is today, and become the symbol of France. Le pain au chocolat. In some area of France, especially in Toulouse, it's called chocolatine. Le pain au raisin, which is called raisin sweet. Le chausson au pont. Au chouquette, which are airy and extremely light sweets. La baguette viennoise. They are a kind of small and sweet baguette bread. Le brioche and beignet, which has different types of Nutella and natural or plain. Le palmier, the sweets which are crispy and light. And la madeleine. Now let's go for confectionery. We definitely suggest you going to the confectionery to test the real tastes of this type of sweets. It should be noted that there are very famous confectioneries in Paris, their own special sweets. Thus, we introduce the most common types of them. And of course, we will introduce the special sweets of different cities at the end of the video. Famous French sweets. Eclair. It has different types of chocolate, coffee, and caramel. Le macaron. You'll probably know this famous sweet, which has reached global fame and March 20 has been named Macaroni International Day. This sweet is sold in different flavors. Le millefeuille. This dessert is kind of like Napoleon dessert. It is le Paris-Brest. La tarte. Tarts and its varieties, which include apple tart, raspberry tart, lemon tart, chocolate tart, and other various types are very popular sweets in France. The small one-piece tart is called tartelette. le flan, religieuse, le fraisier, l'opéra, and finally, la meringue. Of course, there are special sweets from different cities that are sold in all cities, such as le cannelle, which is specific to the city of Bordeaux, or la crêpe, which is specific to the Bretagne region. In other videos, we will definitely show you how to prepare these types of French pastries. So, to accompany and motivate us, be sure to subscribe to this channel and send it to your friends. Thank you.